What I love about the FireStick technology is it can't be messed up by moisture. I had a hunt back in, I think 2019 is what it was, and I had a CVA muzzleloader. It has nothing to do with CVA, but that's just my other muzzleloader I use if I'm hunting a state that the NitroFire is not legal. But you put these little black powder pellets in here, and risk is that you can crunch the pellets when you're putting the bullet in, but then also moisture buildup. So it was a really hot, humid day, lots of rain, and went to shoot, and I pulled the trigger, and 140-inch 8-point, one of the bigger deer I've seen in my life, as an 8-point, and it delayed the fire. But the reason I think it is the best rifle or the best muzzle loader for hunting is because of that moisture technology, or moisture proof technology, waterproof technology in that FireStick.
Let God revive your life through the outdoors, and remember, you too can make an impact right where you're at. Subscribe for more.